Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make bok choy or bok choy, which is a Chinese vegetable. It is a very delicious vegetable and highly nutritious to eat. You must try this at home, and it is so readily available nowadays everywhere. Now this is a very simple dish and it's very easy to make. All you need is a very few ingredients, which is just the vegetable bok choy, oyster sauce, peanut oil, light soy and garlic. I'm going to stir fry this vegetable and eat it with steamed rice. The first thing that you need to do is wash your vegetable. Make sure you wash in between the vegetable as well. As you can see here, since this vegetable grows on the soil, about very close to the soil, you will see there's a lot of mud in between the vegetable. So make sure that you wash this all and then use it. So I washed my bok choy and I'm now going to start cooking. The first thing that I will need to do is heat up my pot. I'm taking a large pot because there's a lot of bok choy, and make sure that my pot is really hot. Once it's heated up, I'm going to then add my peanut oil. Make sure that your oil starts smoking, because you do not want the water to come out right immediately as soon as you start cooking the vegetable. You want the retention of the water inside the vegetable. So make sure that your wok is really hot before you put the vegetables inside. So now my oil is heating up. I've added 2 teaspoons of groundnut oil in my wok or in my pot. Once you can see smoke coming out of the oil, I'm going to then quickly add a little garlic and my bok choy. I do not want the garlic to brown. I'm just using it for the flavor. If you do not have fresh garlic, you can always add garlic powder as well. Okay, so I can feel that the oil is nicely heating up. I'm just going to take about a couple of garlic pods and add it to my hot oil. You can see that I've not chopped my garlic. That's because I just want the flavor of the garlic to be infused in the oil. I don't want garlic to be burned. Neither do I want it to be coming in between your mouth when you're eating it. So you can see the oil is nicely heated up. You can see the smoke. At this stage, I'm going to add make sure you constantly keep stirring the bok choy. Get the cook point down, below, on top. Very quick dish. It will cook in a few minutes. It does not take time. As you can see, while the bok choy is cooking, I'm speaking to you as well. another half a minute and my bok choy is cooked. Always remember, never overcook your green vegetables. Before I serve the bok choy, I'm going to show you how it tastes. There'll be so much of crunch in that vegetable. Okay, now before I finish, all I'm going to do is now season the vegetable. I'm just going to add about a tablespoon of oyster sauce, about a teaspoon of light soy, and of course I'm going to season the bok choy with the chicken seasoning powder. You can use the vegetable or the mushroom seasoning powder as well. Just a little bit. And that's all to it. Finally going to just stir my bok choy and serve it. There's no, because the wok is so hot, there is no oil or no water from the vegetable. It has come out. So make sure that the wok is really nice and hot whenever you eat this vegetable, because it's just going to be a light, quick stir fry. You're not going to be cooking it for hours or for minutes. Now there you go, my bok choy is ready. I'm going to turn off the gas now. I'm just going to take one single piece, one small piece, and show you how it tastes. Okay. I'm going to use a tong. Okay. I'm going to first try the stem. Can you see the stem? It's still so crunchy, and there is no raw taste to the vegetable as well, and it's perfect seasoning, not salty, and with steamed rice, it's going to be yummy to eat. Do try my recipe. I'm sure you are going to love this. Fairly easy, quick to make, and easily available. If you like my recipe, do subscribe to my channel and click on the like button. Also, click on the bell icon when you can receive future updates about my further recipes that I will be adding. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my recipe. Enjoy it with rice, and see you next time.